When you switch from hot to cold water, you actually decrease your energy usage by up to 90% because most of the energy used in a washing machine is actually from heating the water.
So we're really excited to partner with Electrolux. We actually have new Tide cold formulas. And what's great about Electrolux is they have this drawer that actually gives you options to put in the different forms of detergent. So specifically, there is a pods compartment here. So I'm going to put these in here. This is actually really special to Electrolux because you can put the pods into the drawer, and they have specialized pumps and dissolution technologies to make sure that these dissolve properly.
The reason why Electrolux machines are Tide Cold certified, you put your pod in here, it ends up dissolving the pod first in the chamber here, and then it circulates it so that you get a fully dissolved pod that's already started working. And the reason why that's important is because washing in cold water, you're using a lower temperature, which means the other vectors of cleaning, which is mechanical and chemical, become more important. So Electrolux has figured out how to get the full chemical energy benefit through their dispenser here. And we've actually measured that in the Tide testing team. And we've seen when you use this dispenser versus putting the pod in a drum in an Electrolux machine, you do get a greater cleaning benefit.
Sammy was also able to tell us about Tide's latest
into
innovation.
The drum directly before your clothes, but when you do have a drawer that has a specific label for pods, you can be assured that you can use that in the drawer there. We actually have a new upgraded Tide cold formula. So you'll see on certain packages the things that say, for example, designed even for cold water. We want to make sure that our products are working great for all water conditions, but especially for people who want to wash in cold water. And there's a lot of benefits to washing in cold water, not only preserving your clothes, but also reducing the amount of energy you're using to heat the water in the wash process. Our pods are actually turning to a blue color, and this is to help remind consumers to turn to cold. And we also have new technologies in our Tide Pods formula. One of them is a brand new surfactant. So surfactants are typically our grease cutting agents. This surfactant is designed to work even better in cold water. We also have a new enzyme. So enzymes typically help to break apart stains. This new enzyme actually helps to open up the fibers in your clothes so that those bits of things that are stuck in there can actually get out instead of being trapped in the fibers.
What is the energy savings difference in going from washing from either warm or hot to washing in cold water?
So when you switch from hot to cold water, you actually decrease your energy usage by up to 90% because most of the energy used in a washing machine is actually from heating the water. Similarly, when you use warm and you switch to cold, you eliminate 70% of energy usage. Even doing it in 3/4 of your loads is enough to make a pretty big impact in your energy usage in your home and feel confident that you're making the right choice for the environment and for your home.